Hey everybody, today we're going to try Lay's Stacks Extra Flaming Hot. I picked this up at the store just to try it out. And so obviously, made by Lay's, Stacks brand. Extra Flaming Hot, then there's a depiction of what they're supposed to look like. Then on the back, we have their typical hype about it. Yeah, and then the nutrition facts. Let's look at that hype real quick. It says Lay's Stacks Potato Crisps are the ultimate way to recharge. Lay's Stacks Extra Flamin' Hot Flavored Crisps. They call them crisps, not chips. Give you the full flavor and crispy crunch that adds great taste to your busy day. Now let's go over the nutrition facts. It says serving size about 12 chips. I did it again. 12 crisps. Calories 140. Total fat 8 grams. Saturated fat 2 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 210 milligrams. And that's for 12 crisps. Ooh. Total carbohydrates 17 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, total sugars 1 gram, and protein 2 grams. And then the 4 vitamins and minerals: vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Once again, Lay's Stacks Extra Flamin' Hot. Now we have to open it up here. And it's got the seal on it, meaning that they're still hopefully fresh. I don't remember where I got the expiration date. It's probably on the bottom. No, it's not on the bottom. It don't matter. I bought them recently. So, let's open it up. There we go. Voila. Alright, let's give it that whiff test. Here we go. Essentially, they smell like regular Pringles. I don't know why. Alright. There's not a bit of an aroma of heat to these. So we'll pull one out. And there we go. There's the sprinkling. Let me try to on there. There's a more generous appearance of the powder coating. And then on the back, very little. And it very much looks like a Pringle. Alright. So let's give it a shot and find out what it's like. Very crunchy. And right off the bat, once it hit my tongue, it started burning. The heat is definitely there. I'm not so sure, and it reaches back into the back of the throat now. I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to be. Usually they promote some type of pepper, or something along up the lines of a pepper. Let's take a look real quick. Yeah. I don't see anything yet. I see onion powder, but it wouldn't give you the same type of burn. Garlic powder. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything about any peppers or even liquid extracts. I see the vegetable oil derived from sunflower, corn, and or cottonseed. obviously dried potatoes. But there is absolutely nothing along the lines of a pepper extract, either powder or liquid. So I couldn't tell you what they utilized. Okay, well we'll move on and try, or rather, do another one here. Well, whatever it is, it tastes pretty good. One more. Probably all chemicals. No, I have no idea. Okay. Put the lid back on them here. So what did I think of Lay's Stacks Extra Flamin' Hot? Well, I'm going to give it a thumbs up just on the basis of the flavor. It strikes you right off the bat as literally flaming hot on your tongue. It doesn't exactly promote what makes it hot, but it's not bad. It's probably something that I'd pick up later on down the road. Yeah, I'd buy another box of it, but I'm not sure when. But that's it. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.